They walk into a small kitchen studio with snacks on the table.
Emma, why is there so much food here?
Because today is episode 12, and it's all about food.
Oh no, I'm already hungry.
Perfect. That means you're ready to learn. Imagine this. You're at a restaurant,
The waiter asks, "What would you like?"
and you panic because you don't know how to say what you like.
Or worse, you order something unhealthy and it's not even delicious.
Tragic.
So here's the big question for you.
What's your favorite food?
Think about it.
Today, you will learn how to talk about food preferences
You'll say what you like, what you don't like.
and what you prefer.
We'll also learn useful food vocabulary like ingredients and sweet tooth.
By the end, you'll sound natural and confident when talking about food.
And maybe you'll get hungry too.
They sit at a cafe table with menus.
Okay, Emma, I'm starving.
Are you hungry or really hungry?
I'm very hungry.
Same. Let's order food.
So, what's your favorite thing on the menu?
I think I prefer the vegetarian salad.
Vegetarian? Really?
Yes, it's healthy and delicious.
I respect that, but I prefer seafood.
Seafood is nice too.
Look, this pasta has shrimp.
That sounds delicious.
It does, and it's not too unhealthy.
Then, pasta is not always healthy.
Okay, maybe it's a little unhealthy.
What ingredients does it have?
Let's see, shrimp, garlic, butter.
Butter? That's definitely not healthy.
But it's delicious.
I like sweet food more.
Ah, you have a sweet tooth.
Yes, I do. I love cake and chocolate.
I prefer salty snacks. Chips are my weakness.
Are you hungry enough for dessert too?
Always. But right now, I want something salty.
This menu is making me full already.
Full? We didn't even eat.
I mean, my brain feels full.
Okay, let's order.
Wait, I have a question.
Uh-oh.
Do you prefer healthy food or unhealthy food?
Honestly, unhealthy food is usually more delicious.
True, but healthy food makes you feel better.
I know. Last week I ate too much fried chicken.
And?
I felt so full and sleepy.
See? Healthy food is better sometimes.
Okay, I'll try something healthier today.
Great.
But I still want dessert.
That's fair. So, what's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake, 100%.
Sweet tooth confirmed. Let's order before we cancel and reschedule dinner forever.
Yes, please.
Now, let's break down today's vocabulary. Favorite.
Favorite means the one you like the most.
Example, pizza is my favorite food.
Mini task. Tell me your favorite food.
Prefer.
Prefer means you like one thing more than another.
Example, I prefer tea over coffee.
Mini task. What do you prefer, sweet or salty?
Delicious.
Delicious means very tasty.
Example, this soup is delicious.
Mini task. Say one food that is delicious.
Healthy.
Healthy food is good for your body.
Example, vegetables are healthy.
Mini task. Name one healthy food.
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy food is not good for your body.
Example, too much candy is unhealthy.
Mini task. Name one unhealthy food.
Ingredients.
Ingredients are what food is made of.
Example, the ingredients are eggs, flour, and sugar.
Mini task. What ingredients are in a sandwich?
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian means you don't eat meat.
Example, she's vegetarian, so she eats vegetables and fruit.
Mini task. Would you like a vegetarian meal?
Seafood.
Seafood means food from the ocean, like fish or shrimp.
Example, I love seafood pasta.
Mini task. Do you like seafood?
Sweet tooth.
Sweet tooth means you love sweet food.
Example, I have a sweet tooth, so I love chocolate.
Mini task. Do you have a sweet tooth?
Salty.
Salty means it tastes like salt.
Example, chips are salty.
Mini task. Name something salty.
Hungry.
Hungry means you want to eat.
Example, I'm hungry after work.
Mini task. Say, I'm hungry like Ben.
12. Full.
Full means you don't want more food.
Example, I'm full after dinner.
Mini task. Say, I'm full naturally.
Today's grammar focus is talking about preferences.
We use
I like,
I don't like.
I prefer.
My favorite is
Examples.
1. I like seafood.
2. I don't like salty snacks.
3. I prefer healthy food.
4. My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
5. I prefer tea over coffee.
Common mistake number 1.
I prefer pizza than salad.
Correct. I prefer pizza to salad.
Common mistake number 2. My favorite food is eat sushi.
Correct. My favorite food is sushi.
Now let's train your listening.
Sentence 1. I'm very hungry.
Slow. I am very hungry.
Medium. I'm very hungry.
Natural. I'm so hungry.
Sentence 2. What's your favorite food?
Slow. What is your favorite food?
Medium. What's your favorite food?
Natural. What's your favorite food?
Sentence 3. I prefer vegetarian meals.
Slow. I prefer vegetarian meals.
Medium. I prefer vegetarian meals.
Natural. I prefer vegetarian meals.
Sentence 4. This pasta is delicious.
Slow. This pasta is delicious.
Medium. This pasta is delicious.
Natural. This pasta is delicious.
Sentence 5. What ingredients does it have?
Slow. What ingredients does it have?
Medium. What ingredients does it have?
Natural. What ingredients does it have?
Sentence 6. I have a sweet tooth.
Slow. I have a sweet tooth.
Medium. I have a sweet tooth.
Natural. I have a sweet tooth.
Sentence 7. I prefer salty snacks.
Slow. I prefer salty snacks.
Medium. I prefer salty snacks.
Natural. I prefer salty snacks.
Sentence 8. I'm full after dinner.
Slow. I am full after dinner.
Medium. I'm full after dinner.
Natural. I'm full after dinner.
Time to speak.
Repeat after us.
Prompt 1. What's your favorite food?
Sample answer. My favorite food is pizza.
Prompt 2. Do you prefer sweet or salty?
Sample answer. I prefer sweet food.
Prompt 3. Say one delicious food.
Sample answer. Ice cream is delicious.
Prompt 4. Say one healthy food.
Sample answer. Salad is healthy.
Prompt 5. Say one unhealthy food.
Sample answer. Fast food is unhealthy.
Prompt 6. Do you like seafood?
Sample answer. Yes, I like seafood.
Prompt 7. Do you have a sweet tooth?
Sample answer. Yes, I love chocolate.
Prompt 8. Are you hungry or full right now?
Sample answer. I'm hungry right now.
Quick quiz time.
Question 1. What does prefer mean?
Answer. It means you like one thing more than another.
Question 2. What's the opposite of healthy?
Answer. Unhealthy.
Question 3. What does ingredients mean?
Answer. What food is made of?
Question 4. If you love chocolate, what do you have?
Answer. A sweet tooth.
Question 5. What does full mean?
Answer. You don't want more food.
Mission for today.
Next time you eat, describe your meal in English.
Say, my favorite food is...
I prefer.
This is delicious.
I'm hungry or I'm full.
Practice in real life. That's how you improve fast.
Great job today.
Episode 12 complete.
Next episode, we'll learn how to invite people and make plans.
See you in episode 13.
Bye.